Today we will learn how to create the secret key from the OpenAI platform.
First of all, navigate to the OpenAI platform. Here in the product section, click on the API login. Now on the right hand side, we have our API section. Click on this. Now you will land on this page. Now on the left hand side, you will find a user section. Click on this. On the left hand side, you find the increase limit button. Now go to the left hand side in the billing section. Now here you have to add payment details. Now from the two available options of individual and company, select the company option, add in your payment details and click on continue. Then navigate to the API keys. Here click on this button of create new secret key. Now name the key and click on create secret key button. Now we'll see that your API key has been generated.